Question 2A. All the others are wrong. State 4 ways in which God demonstrated his concern for the Israelites during the Exodus. 8 marks. They are only supposed to be 4. Any extra than 4, it is cancelled. Number 1, he made a passage for them in the Red Sea. You get 2 marks. He provided them with manna. 2 marks. He provided them with quails. 2 marks. If you've written them as 1 point, you only get 2. If you've written, he provided them with manna and quails, those are just 2 marks. You've written as 1 sentence. He provided them with water from the stone or water from the rock. This is the same point as Moses. He sent Moses to purify the bitter water. When you talk about any water there, it's just the same point. So those are 2 marks. Whether you've talked about he provided them with water from the rock when they asked, or Moses purified the bitter water. It's just the same point. 1, which is 2 marks. He gave them 10 commandments. That is how he demonstrated his concern for the Israelites. He defeated their enemies, that is the Egyptians. You can also talk about defeating the Amalekites, or he protected them against danger. That is all 1 point. Whether you talk about he defeated the Egyptians or their enemies, the Amalekites, or he protected them against the danger, that is just 1 point, which is 2 marks. He provided a cloud to lead them during the day. He provided a pillar of fire to lead them during the night, or to lead them in the darkness. If you've written them as 1 point, whether you talked about a cloud and a pillar of cloud during the day and a pillar of cloud, that is 1 point. But if you've separated them, you get 2. He provided them with leaders. Those are the only point. Any other point is wrong. Question 2B. How did the Israelites worship God when they were in the wilderness? 5 marks. Number 1, you only need 5. They built altars. They offered sacrifices. You have to start there. If you've not started there, you're wrong. If you started sacrifices, altars, no, it's wrong. They sang songs. Shock, they danced. It's the same point. They said prayers. They held festivals. They gave offerings. They constructed sacred places of worship. Or you can say they constructed the tabernacle. It's just the same point. They observed the Sabbath day. They burnt incense. Those are the only points. There should be 5. Question 2C. Identify 7 challenges that Christians face while practicing their faith in Kenya today. 7 marks. They should only be 7. If they are extra, they will not be marked. So what are these challenges? Emergence of splinter groups within the church. This is whereby the church separates splinter groups within the church. Number 2, the emergence of cults which practice ungodly activities. See, you have to explain. So, emergence of cults which practice ungodly activities. If you've not written the word cult, you're wrong. The emphasis on materialism by the churches. Lack of role models among the leaders. So the leaders are the ones who are supposed to be what? To have more, to be the role models. So that's why we're saying lack of role models among the leaders. Open conflict between the leaders and the church members. Misuse of resources by the leaders. Rise of state-church conflicts. Misuse of resources by the leaders. Rise of state-church conflicts. Confusion among Christians due to different interpretations of the Bible. Church leaders not having time for all members, or you say discrimination. Negative effects of mass media or modern technology. Permissiveness in the society, or you can say moral decadence in the society. Permissiveness in the society, you can put it as too much freedom